mama. Yo mama's so short. She uses a fidget spinner as a freaking Ferris wheel. Hey, hey! Get off my fidget spinner, you fidget midget. Can I still say that? Get Yo Mama fidget spinners today. Link in the description. Yo Mama's so stupid. She went to the jewelry store to get a new ringtone. Oh, come on, lady. Seriously? Just download ringtone remixes. Oh yeah, it's my jam. Oh, Mom is so ugly. She made my Happy Meal cry. Come on, little guy. You're making my food soggy.
But she's got skin tags, bro!
Yo Mama's so fat. She broke the 256 block limit on Minecraft.
The servers are crashing!
Yo mama is so short. Mario thought she was a Goomba. Let's go. Fat Mamma Mia. Yo mama's so ugly. When Deadpool saw her, he said,
Ugh. Oh, God. I can't even look at this bitch. And here I thought I was ugly. Nope, Excuse me, could somebody get me the fuck out of this joke? How long are these things usually? Like a minute? Oh, I can wait. Too long.
Yo mama's so fat. When Nappa asked how much she weighed, Vegeta said, "It's over 9,000! What? Yo mom is so stupid. She saw the McDonald's drive-thru sign. She drove through the building. What do you want to drink? Oh, come on. I just wanted a McFlurry. Yo mom is so short, she hooks up with Legos. Everything is awesome when you're part of a team, huh? She's fucking my Legos. Oh! Yo mama's so fat. When she sat on Walmart, She lowered the prices.
For the life of God, get back in your cars!
Oh, sweet. Now I can get that Nintendo Switch. Yo mama's so stupid. She thought a quarterback was a refund.
Hey lady, I'm trying to get ready for the game.
Oh, that's the good stuff! Football, yeah, football!
Fatality.
Yo mama's so ugly when she plays Mortal Kombat! Fight! Scorpion said, "Stay over there!"
Fatality.
Yo mama's so short! She uses a Tostito as a boat! Boats and hoes. 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 Yo mama's so fat! Google created the Google Mama to explore her. Okay, now zoom out. 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 Jesus! Yo mama's so hairy, she got afros on her nips.
Can you dig it?
How disgusting! Yo mama's so ugly. Neither Jacob nor Edward want her on their team. Team Brody, yeah! Yo mama's so short. You can do backflips under the bed. What's going on down there? You interrupted my dream where I was high-fiving Vin Diesel.
Nothing wrong with me.
He's my hero. Yo mama's so stupid. She tried to fuel her car with Vin Diesel. Oh, it's Vin Diesel. He's my hero. Oh, no. I just wanted a high five! Yo mama's so fat! When she stepped on a scale, it read my phone number! Yeah, hit him in the face! Punch him in the dick! Yo, talk to me. Damn it, lady, I told you to stop calling me! Yo mom is so ugly. When she watches TV, the channels change themselves.
Like Zoink Scoob!
Right, Red Raggy.
Patrick, she's back!
I can't do this again! Hey, boo-boo, where's the remote?
I thought you had it, Yogi.
Jesse, we have to change the channel.
Why don't you do it yourself, bitch?
You're despicable.
1, 2, turn to channel 2!
Meg, you look even worse today.
Yo mom is so short! When she plays Five Nights at Freddy's, the animatronics jump out at her, and they hit the wall! Yo mama's so stupid! She made an appointment with Dr. Pepper! Yeah. Yo mommy's so old! When she went to the museum, she saw some of her exes!
You came back. You finally came back. I saved this kitty for you. No, no! It burns!
Yo mama's so fat! Her school pictures were taken by a satellite! I was voted most likely to get bitches! Yo mama's so short! She broke her leg getting off the toilet! Except we're hot. What the hell was that? Yo mama's so stupid! She thought KFC was UFC for chickens!
Check his eyes out! Use that beak, you bastard!
Yo mama's so ugly! When Ice Cube saw her, he melted!
Aw, shit, I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world!
Selfie time! Yo mom is so short! When she tried the Kylie Jenner lip challenge, she fell inside the shot glass.
In Soviet Russia. In America, you hit bongs.
Yeah!
In Soviet Russia, bongs hits you.
Oh god, no! No! Not my hair! Ah, not my hair!
Brody, act like a man.
Click here to watch another episode of Yo Mama.